Twitter's board is reportedly renegotiating with Elon Musk over his bid to buy the platform. According to the Wall Street Journal, company executives decided to consider Musk's proposal after he secured more than $46 billion to make the purchase. And 1 in every 5 employees between the ages of 25 and 54 anticipate leaving their job within a year. That's according to a ZipRecruiter survey reported by the Wall Street Journal. Researchers say people who switch jobs are often seeing significant pay increases. And the Powerball jackpot has reached an estimated $421 million, with another drawing set to happen today. No one has hit the full jackpot since Valentine's Day. The price of crude oil is down more than $20 a barrel from last month, but that's not necessarily translating into price relief for drivers at the pump. So for more on this, we want to bring in Ben Storrow. He's a reporter for E&E News. So let us talk about this. Oil prices are going down, but gas prices are staying the same. Is this weird?
Actually, as weird as it does seem weird, but it's something that economists do expect and have studied for a long time. Oftentimes when the price of crude goes up, the price of gasoline will go up slowly as gas stations try not to scare away customers. But then once they do start to raise prices, they raise them very quickly. When the price of crude starts to drop, they will lower their prices at the pump more slowly. That's actually where gas stations make most of their money.
So I guess my question is there a direct link between the price of a barrel of oil and the cost of gas? And what is that link?
Yeah, well, I think in a big picture sense, what's happened in the last year or so is that we've had an imbalance in the market. Demand has been growing faster than supply. It takes time to get drilling rigs out in the field. It takes time to get the oil flowing. Demand, on the other hand, can move around very quickly. And just to your previous segment about China, we're seeing reports this morning that Chinese oil demand could be down by as much as more than 1 million barrels a day in April. And that might be relieving some of the tightness in the market right now.
Yeah, I was reading actually about that and wondered if it was to make an impact, because, as we've been covering, we're talking about the possibility of major cities sort of shutting down. Shanghai's one of them, but now maybe even Beijing. How quickly could that translate into relief for us here in the States, though?
Predicting oil prices is a tricky business. I don't know how quickly that would work its way through the system, and consumers would see that at the pump. What I can say is the Energy Information Administration thinks that prices will average somewhere around $3.80 this year, which is a little bit lower than what folks are paying now, but obviously still higher than what we've been accustomed to paying.
All right, maybe a new norm for a while. Ben Storrow, thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.